Hey friends, GATORMOM here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be talking all about this medium Metro Roxy from MZ Wallace. So I delayed a little bit with making this video because I really honestly thought I would be returning this bag to get it in a different color because I just don't need another black bag in my life. But I took the tags off and I love it and I'm gonna keep it in black. I do think it will be good kind of for fall and winter to kind of get into some darker bags. I probably won't be carrying a lot of the bright kind of colors that I was carrying over the summer. So today I want to kind of go through this one and pack it up for you because I know it is a style that a lot of you are interested in. All right, so I really think that this medium Roxy is the perfect everyday size bag. I think it will hold a book well, a Kindle well, any type of wallet, anything that you would need just kind of on the daily. It's just one of those like throw and go, super comfy crossbodies. And of course we all love the Metro material for MZ Wallace. It weighs literally nothing and they're the most comfortable bags to carry. I will say my one and only complaint so far with this bag has to be the strap. I know this is a true crossbody, I get it, but I have a pet peeve on straps that are stationary like this to the bag. I would have really liked to have seen some type of a swivel clip on here because the straps can get tangled from time to time. I don't want to say tangled, but you know, they can kind of get like caught up in this loop here. But that's just me being super, super picky. It's definitely not a deal breaker for me. Obviously, I took the tags off, we're keeping her, but I just thought that I would mention something that, I don't know, kind of bugged me with this one. I will say that the strap adjusts really easily and you have a lot of room with this one. So if you are taller, this bag is gonna be like perfect for you. Like it can be long as far as a crossbody or you can make it short like a shoulder carry. So let's go ahead and tighten this strap just so that you can see what it looks like on the body. This is the shortest strap length and I am 5 foot nothing and I think that it's comfortable for a shoulder carry here. With it being this like webbed seatbelt strap, it's not gonna fall off really easily or anything like that. You can of course make it, like I said, as long as you need to and carry it crossbody, which is how I will probably prefer to carry this one just because of the size and how comfortable it is. And once I have things packed in it, it will of course be a little bit bulkier. So it will just be a really cute kind of crossbody carry. Going through the outside of this bag really quickly, you don't have any pockets on, no, I thought maybe there was like a hidden pocket. You don't have any pockets on the back of this bag, but you do have a big, large zipper pocket with a nice kind of chunky zipper here on the front of the bag. And this opens up really wide. It goes this full width and kind of all the way to the bottom of the bag. And then the main opening here of the bag zips completely closed, so you don't have any like areas sticking out on the ends or anything like that for things to fall out. And it opens up just like so. Very traditional inside MZ Wallace pockets. You have the zipper pocket with the two pockets inside there, and then you have these pockets. This bag here also comes with a little pouch and the key leash, of course, that's attached to it. So very normal for the inside of MZ Wallace bags. I think the size is just so good. I'm excited to pack it up. All right, let's go ahead and set the camera down so that you can see exactly what fits inside this medium Roxy. And just like with all my review and packing videos, I will have a link to this bag as well as a link to my What's in My Bag blog post page that lives on my blog down below in the description box as well as pinned at the top of the comments. The What's in My Bag blog post page will have links to any and everything that you've probably ever seen packed inside of one of my bags. So if you're looking for a link to something, the odds are you'll find it there, but if not, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. All right, so here we are all packed up. It's actually a couple of days later now and I have been using this bag all week and it is awesome. I take back any hesitation that I might have given off at the earlier part of this video, whether it have been like the straps I was complaining about or all of the things that I was on the fence about with this bag, because It is so good. It packs up really well. It's comfortable to carry. I'm actually not mad about it being black. I know I was like, I have a ton of black bags. I don't think I need another one. No, I do. This one is really, really good, you guys. It's awesome. I actually like that it's a little bit darker of color because it's the perfect size to take to like football games for my kids or soccer games and just kind of throw and go with it. I actually don't have it packed right now. I don't think to like maximum capacity. I could easily put a water bottle in here and like extra snacks. There's enough room in here that I can throw the extra things that the kids give me, you know, like mom, hold my phone, mom, hold my book, my deck of cards, my whatever. So I feel like I have room with this one. I can't say enough that I'm really, really happy with it. So let me show you how I have it packed up. Again, there's no pockets on the back of this bag. There is a nice, huge, awesome pocket here on the front, and that is like my grab and go pocket. I have my wallet. This is by Hammett. It's been a favorite like for a little while now, and it's just a really good size. I kind of like the detail on the outside of it. It's a little bit different, but when you open it up, you have a spot for change. You have cards over here, cards in here, and then also, of course, room for bills. So it's not anything special. I just really like the quality of it. It's super soft and it holds like just the right amount of stuff for me. And I like the little kind of pull down there at the bottom. So wallet there in the front. And then I also have gum, my Gentle Mist Touchland hand sanitizer. I keep highlighting that because it's really, really good. I also have, oh, my pen is down in there, and my earbuds are also down in that front pocket. Could obviously probably put more in there if I really wanted to. What I like about this bag is it's like smaller at the top than it is at the bottom. So like the bottom makes this like big kind of triangle almost, but it's not too small at the top that it's not like easy to get everything in and out of, if that makes sense. So nice smooth zippers. And then when you open it up, you have all of this room inside. And like I said, I could easily probably fit more in here. I have the current book that I'm reading. I am obsessed. It's really good. I was about 2 chapters in and I'm like, I don't know what the fuss is about this one. I'm like not digging it, but now about halfway through, I'm hooked. It's really good. So I have that in there. I also have my little notebook that I grabbed at Target. I have my phone just kind of thrown in there vertically, and that's an iPhone 15 Pro Max for size reference, and kind of a big case here with my loop, and that obviously can fit anywhere in this bag. I also have attached to the key leash inside this bag here, I have my car keys, and then I have this small little pouch from Mina Bay. It has like a little clip on it, and in here all I have is change, and I usually will keep like dollar bills in here as well for like concession stands at my kids' sporting events and things like that. I can just kind of grab this and give it to them to go, you know, get a hamburger or whatever they want. The only other thing in the main part here of the bag is the medium size Mina Bay pouch. This one is nylon. It's in their pouch trio set. I know you guys have seen me kind of talk about, I have a couple of sets of these now. I have leather and I have nylon. But inside here, I just have all of my small cosmetic things. I have body spray in here, I have lotion, a nail file, hair ties, teeth things, cuticle cream, lip products, you name it. It's just all of my small little, you know, like odds and end type things in there. And I think that was it as far as the inside. Yes, the big part. Back here you do have a nice zipper pocket. I have some Band-Aids tucked down in this little pocket, and then I think I threw a couple of snacks in here, just a couple of like beef sticks. Again, I could easily put more back there if I wanted to. But then over here on the front of the bag, you have 2 pockets, which are pretty standard inside MZ Wallace bags. And I decided to just put both of my glasses in here since I had so much room in that front pocket and was really using it. I didn't really need to use these for anything, like quick grab things. So I have my eyeglasses in there, or my sunglasses, and then I also have my eyeglasses. So both have their own like little pocket in there, if you will. So that's how I have it packed up. If you can't tell, I'm a huge fan. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you interested in this medium Roxy from MZ Wallace. If you have any questions or comments at all, feel free to leave those down below. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.